Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson ratio, proportion and the unitary method. Now coming to the third topic, that is unitary method. What is unitary method? The method of first finding the value of one article or the unit by division and then finding the value of more articles or units by multiplication is called unitary method. So in unitary method, first step is division and second step is multiplication. Remember this. Now coming to example 8. A car travels a distance of 550 km in 5 hours. What distance will the car cover in 7 hours? That is the first question. Okay. So, for the first question, what is the statement? Car travels a distance of 550 km. So, kilometer, what is it? The distance. So, distance covered in 5 hours. That we write 550 km. Now, they have asked what distance will the car cover in 7 hours. So, first we have to find out for 1. So, therefore the distance covered in 1 hour. 5 hours का दिया है तो 1 hour का find out करने का है तो divide करने का है. तो 550 upon और divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 0. So, you got 110 km. This is in 1 hour. Now, the distance covered in 7 hours पूछे हैं. So, multiplication 1 hour में कितना है? 110. 7 hours में कितना है? Multiply करो. 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So, the answer is 770 kilometer. So, distance covered in 5 hours is 550. First find out the distance covered in 1 hour. इसके लिए 550 divide by 5. First is division. You get the answer. Then distance covered in 7 hours. जो answer मिला multiply by 7. First division, second multiplication. Now the second question. How many hours are needed to travel a distance of 3080 km if the car travels at a uniform speed? Already they have told the car travels at a distance of 550 km in 5 hours. 5 hours में 550 km तो 3080 km के लिए कितना टाइम? तो अभी टाइम फाइंड आउट करने का है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट जो भी दिया है उसको रिवर्स में लिखने का. सो टाइम दे हैव आस्क्ड. सो वी विल राइट टाइम टेकन टू कवर 550 किलोमीटर. सो इधर स्टेटमेंट है इट कवर्स द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 550 किलोमीटर इन 5 hours. So we will write time taken to cover a distance of 550 kilometer, that is 5 hours. So ये स्टेटमेंट को हम रिवर्स में लिखे. क्यों? क्योंकि सेकंड क्वेश्चन में टाइम पूछा है. Therefore time taken to cover 1 kilometer. फर्स्ट के लिए 1 के लिए डिवाइड. तो क्या डिवाइड करने का है? जो दिया है 5 अपॉन ये राइट साइड इज इक्वल टू का राइट साइड में जो लिखा है 5 अपॉन और डिवाइडेड बाय लेफ्ट में जो लिखा है 550. दिस इज टाइम, दैट इज आवर्स. ओके. तो इसको हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are 0. So you got 1 by 110 hours. ये हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. टाइम टेकन टू कवर क्वेश्चन में 3080 बोले तो अभी कितना मिला हमें 1/110 इंटू 3080 0 cut. Now 11 ones are twos are 22 30 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 8 and 8 88 11 8s are 88, so you get 28 hours. Answer is 28 hours. Hope you understood. So second sum, तो उसमें the statement has to be written in a reverse order. That's all. In the worksheet also, last three sums are of this type. The second type के ऐसे वाले sums भी है, so you have to be careful. Otherwise it is easy. If it is the first type, it is easy, direct. Now coming to the worksheet. The worksheet 3, question number 1. Sahil buys 8 books for ₹72. What is the cost of 45 books? So they have given the cost of 8 books. Solution, cost of 8 books. How much? ₹72. So first step, unitary method, cost of one book. So that is division. What is the value? 72. Divide by, for how many books? 8. 8 ones are, 8 nines are. So you got ₹9. That is of one book. Now cost of 45 books. Question में पूछा है cost of 45 books. Write the statement. Cost of 45 books. You got ₹9 into 45. That is 9 5s are 45, 9 4s are 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So answer is 405. Cost of 45 books is ₹405. Easy sums, isn't it? Now coming to the second sum. It is the bus fare of 20 persons from Delhi to Chandigarh is ₹9,500. Find the bus fare for 19 persons. 20 persons का दिया है, 19 persons का पूछा है. तो फर्स्ट 1 person का फाइंड आउट करो, फिर 19 persons के. So bus fare for 20 person. How much it is? ₹9,500. Now first find out bus fare for 1 person. That is 9,500 upon 20. Divide by 20. 0 cut. 2 ones are, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 1 remains, 2 fives are 10. So you got 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 1 remains, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14, 1 remains, 2 fives are 10. So you got ₹475. Now bus fare for 19 persons. 1 person, it is 475 into 19. Multiply 475 into 19, you get 9025. Multiply and see, you will get. Otherwise 19 का टेबल परफेक्टली बाय हैट है तो डायरेक्टली करो. So the bus fare for 19 persons is ₹9025. 9,025. That was question number 2. Now coming to question number 3. Arun earns rupees 3,90,000 per year. Find the earnings for 25 weeks. देखो इधर ईयर दिया है, इधर वीक्स पूछा है. सो हमें ईयर को वीक्स में कन्वर्ट करने का है, ये याद रखो. ईयर एंड वीक्स. सो ईयर बिगर यूनिट, सो convert to the smaller unit. So Arun's earnings in 1 year. You know 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. So it is a rupees 3,90,000. Now Arun's earnings in 1 week. पहले 1 का फाइंड आउट करने का, तो 3,90,000 अपॉन 52. तो 52 13 का टेबल में 13 3 जा 39, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 13 4 जा 52, 4 1 जा 4, 7 za 28, 29, 30, 2 remains, 4 5 za 20 and 2 zeros. Understood the calculation? First 13 का टेबल, फिर 4 का टेबल. तो आपको मिला it is rupees 7,500, 7,500. अभी पूछे हैं फाइंड द अर्निंग्स फॉर 25 वीक्स. सो अरुण्स अर्निंग्स फॉर 25 वीक्स. सो फर्स्ट वीक 1 वीक में 7,500 है. सो 25 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 25. सो व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई यू विल गेट 1,87,500. दैट इज 1,87,500. Arun's earnings for 25 weeks is 1,87,500. 1,87,500. Hope you are confident now. So first divide, second multiply. लेकिन डिवाइड करने के वक्त एक ईयर में है, दूसरा वीक में है, तो ईयर को वीक में कन्वर्ट करो. 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. Now coming to the fourth sum, the cost of 18 kg wheat is 216. Cost of 18 kg wheat is rupees 216. Find the cost of 1 quintal wheat. क्विंटाल मतलब कितना है? 100 kg. So ये सब यूनिट्स को याद रखने का है. So first find out for 1 kg. 1 kg के लिए क्या करने का? डिविजन. 216 अपॉन 18. 18 1 जा 18, 18 2 जा 18 1 जा 18, 19 20 21, 3 remains, 18 2 जा 36. So you got rupees 12. That is for 1 kg. For 1 quintal, 1 quintal means 100 kg. So जो आंसर मिला 12 into 100. That is rupees 1200. That is 1,200. Cost of 1 quintal wheat is rupees 1,200. So first two sums were easy, direct. Third sum, they had given the earnings in 1 year, but they have asked in weeks. To find out the earnings in 25 weeks. So convert year to week, then find out for 1 week, then find out for 25 weeks. First division, second multiplication. In the fourth sum, first division for 1 kg, but in the second step they have asked 1 quintal. That means 100 kg. So multiply by 100. So you are confident with the first 4 sums, isn't it? Bye. Thank you. All the best.